Hey everyone, welcome back to another QuickView video. Today I'm super excited to introduce to you the all-new dashboard screen. It's packed with powerful updates and tools to help you run your business more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to the dashboard screen. From the home menu, on the top right corner, locate dashboard. Click on that. And now you're in. One of the biggest updates QuickView has made is that the reporting UI matches the reporting on the back end. You'll notice that we've created a universal web view of your backend right here on the POS. And don't worry, this is a permission-based tab. Employees without the right permissions won't have access to this information, keeping your data safe and secure. If you prefer adding inventory on the web, you can now do it directly through the POS. The dashboard section allows you to handle everything you'd normally do on the backend, as if you were logged into the browser. We've taken your data to the next level by adding graphs and charts to the dashboard. At a glance, you can see key metrics like revenue, sales count, customer count, gross profit, average sales, average items per sale, and you can even view these insights for the day, week, or even the month. We've completely revamped the sales summary page. It now includes non-taxable sales, a variety of tender types so you know exactly where every dollar is coming from. Tracking of all payouts, whether it's cashback, lottery, or vendor payouts. This gives you a clear and detailed understanding of your sales and expenses. There's no shortage of insights here. We've added over 100 plus reports and combinations that users can view, covering every aspect of your business, from sales trends to customer behavior. It's all here at your fingertips. The dashboard screen also lets you manage and add employees. You can create new profiles, update their details, and most importantly, set their permissions. That gives you full control over who accesses specific features and information in QuickView. And that's it for this video. This was a quick overview of the QuickView dashboard screen. With updated reporting, over 100 plus customizable reports, employee permissions, and the new revamped sales overview screen. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for choosing QuickView.